Do you have clothing pieces that you only wear with that one other piece? You know, like that blue striped top you have that you only wear with black pants? If so, you might be missing something. Do you have clothing pieces that you absolutely love, but you hardly ever wear? Like that pink sequin tank top you have, but you hardly ever wear it? If so, then you might be missing something. Do you have plenty of clothing, but you're bored getting dressed every day and you often feel like you just have nothing to wear? If this is you, then you are definitely missing something. If any of these situations applies to you, then this video is for you, because this video is all about how to figure out what you are missing in your wardrobe that brings everything together and makes everything else work, rather than, you know, just going shopping and hoping you find something you like enough to bring home. Hi y'all, my name is Lori. If this is your first time here, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today we are back in my closet, which, as it turns out, is my most favorite place to film. Thanks so much for being here. Now, my whole life, I've been really into clothes. Even when I was a very little girl, I've always been really into clothes. But I didn't have a fantastic wardrobe that I loved to get dressed from every single day until I figured out what was missing. And as it turns out, I wasn't missing near as much as I thought I was. But I had always thought if I had more money, or if I had more time, if I had more this, I had more that, then I could build the perfect wardrobe. But it turns out none of that was true. I was able to build my perfect wardrobe by figuring out what was missing and buying only those pieces that were missing in my wardrobe. And that's what brought everything else together. So I thought I'd tell you just how I did that. When I got really serious about my wardrobe and trying to put my closet together in a way that would really work for me, I went out and bought pieces that I absolutely loved, thinking if I only buy things that I absolutely love, then everything will go together, because everything I love would go together, right? Yeah, I know. I hear it now. It didn't make a lot of sense. But in doing that, I ended up with a lot of pieces like this pink sequin cami, because I absolutely love this. It sparkles, it's fun. I love it. But when you have a closet full of statement pieces, even if you love them, they're hard to style. The reason I was having a hard time styling my clothing pieces is because they were all statement pieces. Everything was a statement piece. So I figured out what I was missing was my staple pieces. If you have a closet full of pieces that you absolutely love, but you're having a difficult time styling them with all the other pieces in your closet, it's because you're probably missing staple pieces. Staple pieces are those pieces that are not super exciting, not a lot of glitz, not a lot of glamour, not a lot of, just not a lot. But they are absolutely essential to your wardrobe, because without those staple pieces, what are you going to style your fashion pieces with? So if you have a closet full of pieces that you absolutely love, but you're having a hard time styling them with other things, it's because you are probably missing your staple pieces. Those nice boring pieces that can be the backdrop to your statement pieces that make everything work. You know, the black skirt, the perfect pair of jeans, the black pants, the blazer, all of that kind of stuff are staple pieces. And those pieces are essential to your wardrobe because they're the ones that make your statement pieces work. So in figuring out that I had a closet full of statement pieces, I decided to go staple piece shopping. And over the years, I built up a fantastic collection of staple pieces. And of course, decluttering my wardrobe as I go. I was decluttering a lot of my statement pieces and replacing it only with staple pieces. And this led me to the next problem I had in my wardrobe. It was boring. And this is where I think a lot of people our age end up. We end up with a closet full of clothes, but they're all pretty boring. They're practical. We can wear them in a lot of different ways, but they're boring. And if this is you, what you're missing is statement pieces. I know, right? You've got to have a balance of both statement pieces and staple pieces that you can dress up, dress down, go out, stay in, and still enjoy getting dressed every day. Because getting dressed every day should be fun. You should look forward to it. I look forward to coming into this closet every single day and picking out my outfit for the day. Even if it's something as simple as it is today, a button-up shirt and a pair of white linen shorts. I still enjoy putting this outfit together. And you should enjoy putting your outfit together every day as well. So what I have found works for me is an 80-20 ratio. About 80% of good quality staple pieces and about 20% of statement pieces. That ratio, that 80-20 ratio for me, keeps my wardrobe from getting boring. It gives me so many options to dress up or dress down and feel appropriate and confident in any situation I happen to be dressing for. And if y'all have seen some of my wardrobe videos before, you might know that I don't believe in any fashion shoulds. Like you should not, or you should do this if you're over a certain age or over a certain height or under a certain height or over a certain weight. None of that stuff applies. The only rule I dress by is I want to feel appropriate and confident in whatever situation I'm dressing for. And I hope that's the only rule you dress by as well, because we don't need all the rest of those rules. They don't apply to us. So if your wardrobe is not working for you, or even if it is working but it just feels really blah and boring, now you know what to do. You know to go into your closet and figure out, do you have a ton of statement pieces that you can't mix and match? Or do you have a ton of staple pieces that are just boring? And a great way to figure this out, because a lot of people don't even know that. I didn't even know that until I went through the process and spent a lot of time studying it, trying to figure it out. But a great way to go through that process and figure that out is to declutter your closet. I made a video on decluttering and decluttering thoughtfully. I'll link it here if you want to check that out, because the first thing you need to do is figure out what's missing. And the best way to do that is in decluttering your closet. In decluttering your closet, you might find that yes, you have a lot of statement pieces that you're having a hard time mixing and matching, but it's because you have these staple pieces over here that you forgot all about. I know I cannot be the only one that's bought pieces, put them away, and forgot about them. Like, that has not happened to just me. Please give this video a thumbs up if that has happened to you as well. Y'all, you have to let me know that didn't just happen to me. Everybody buys stuff and then forgets about it, right? At least once. I don't care if it's just that cute tank top from Target, you know. I know we've all forgotten about something. Anyway, to sum that up, it's important to declutter your closet and organize everything before you ever go shopping for anything, staple pieces or statement pieces. Declutter your closet and organize your wardrobe before you ever even consider going shopping. Now, this video could go on and on if I also told you how to identify those statement pieces so that you know exactly what you need to not make your closet feel so boring, or to be able to identify all of your statement pieces so that you know exactly what to shop for to make all your staples feel fresh and fun, to make your closet fun getting dressed in every day. So I will be making those videos, and they're coming up very soon. If you've made it to this point in the video and that kind of stuff sounds interesting to you, please do consider subscribing to the channel. If you're ready. If you're not ready to subscribe to the channel, no problem, no harm, no foul. Just know you have an open invitation to come back and visit anytime you like, because I'll be right here making videos, probably lots of them, right here in my closet. One of my favorite places to be here in my house. I am getting ready to go on a trip, so I've got to get to planning that capsule wardrobe for my travel and packing it up. So I'll also be making that video. I hope to see you in the next one soon. Bye, y'all.